Hey guys, what's up? It's Pseudo Pluto here, and how do I make Fedora look like Ubuntu? You might be asking, why would I want it to look like Ubuntu? And the easy answer for that is, I like the way that Ubuntu looks, but I like the way that Fedora runs. So all you got to do is DNF SE Yaru, since that's the new theme. And you can see that we get GNOME shell theme Yaru, and we've got the GTA2, GTA3, all of this. But the one you want to install is Yaru theme, no arch, and that's basically like a meta package for all of these other ones, right? And then once you get that installed, you want to go into extensions for GNOME. And what you want to do is you want to enable extensions, and you want to enable the app indicator ones, and you want to enable user themes. Cool. So once you get that, you go into GNOME tweaks. And what you do is in appearance, you change cursor to Yaru, icons to Yaru Dark, sound Yaru, everything Yaru, right? And now your GNOME looks like Ubuntu. But what about the terminal, right? So, I believe there's actually a thing here. Yeah. So what I use is Gogh, right? And it's basically a, let me load it up on this terminal. And I'll post a link to this in this description, right? But it's basically a way to set your color schemes for Linux terminals, right? And so here we have the Ubuntu theme. Where is it? Clone of Ubuntu, right? And so all you do is you follow the steps here for installing the clone of Ubuntu theme, which I believe is just go.sh, and you just clone it, right? And you select clone of Ubuntu, right? You enter options, and you type in clone of Ubuntu. Then what you do is you select the profile, right? So clone of Ubuntu, what you do is you go into preferences, profiles. It should create a new profile, and you'll see under the profile, under the colors, you'll have everything set just the way that you like it. So, and then with that, your Fedora basically looks like Ubuntu. Now you can also install the Ubuntu font, and I believe that should load up the Ubuntu font. No, that doesn't. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to install the, and I'll also link this in the description. Ubuntu fonts. What you need to do is you need to go to Google Fonts, you need to download the family, right? And you'll get a zip. You open it up, and then once you open it up, right, you'll get all these TTFs. And then what you want to do is you want to basically copy all the TTFs, right? Go back to your terminal, cd into dot fonts, and basically copy them here, all the TTFs. And then you want to do a font cache update. Okay, I forget the command. Font cache update. This FC cache. Did I really not have it? Let's see. Yeah, okay. It's not my history, but you just basically want to run that command. You can run it right now. I think it was FC cache F and then -v. And as you can see, it'll basically go through all the possible font directories and it'll load it into the cache, and so it'll be selectable through application menus and stuff like that. So then what you wanted to go is go into tweaks, go into fonts, and then you can select your monospace as Ubuntu and your interface and document and everything as Ubuntu. And then you can go into Firefox, go into your settings, and then you can go into fonts, and then you can change everything to Ubuntu. What I use right now is just the default GNOME font, which is Cantarell, and then the monospace is Jepre Mono. But yeah, I hope you guys found that useful, especially if you're coming to Fedora from Ubuntu, or you just like the Ubuntu theming. For me, it's just like nostalgia, because that was my first distro, and I actually like the color scheme with the purple and everything compared to the default of GNOME being eh. So yeah, hope you guys found this useful, and I'll see you guys later. Sudo Pluto out.